Good morning, students of class 7. In last video we have started the third chapter of your English grammar book, part 1, that is determiners. So now we are going to continue this chapter. So I had taught you the kinds of determiners, determiners definition. What is determiners? Determiners are the words that are used before nouns to fix them or to define them. They are always used before noun. They precedes noun. Kinds of determiners: article, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, numeral determiners, and quantitative determiners. Articles we have studied, children: indefinite and definite articles. A and an are indefinite and the is a definite article. We have also studied the usage of the. It is used before nation, party or community. A gulf, bay, canal, river, ocean, an ocean, a sea, a range of mountains, a group of islands, a newspaper, magazines or famous book, and also when we are talking about a public building. Okay, children, so now we will start with the demonstrative determiners. So what are demonstrative determiners? Demonstrative pronouns like this, that, these, those work as demonstrative determiners. So demonstrative determiners, this, that, these, those comes under demonstrative determiners when used before nouns to demonstrate them. और कब इसका यूज होता है? जब when it is used before noun to demonstrate them. For example, this book is new. This book is new. Book is noun here. It is, and this is used before noun. तो ये noun के बारे में बता रहा है. Okay, it is demonstrating. It is pointing out. So here this is demonstrative determiner, that, these, and those. Okay. So this and these refer to person or object close by. This और these जो होता है that is refer to person or objects that is close by, जो नज़दीक होता है. And this is used before singular nouns. This का use हमेशा singular nouns में होता है and these before plural nouns. Okay, example: this book, these flowers. Okay, and that and those. That and those refer to persons or objects at a distance. दैट का यूज़ जब तब होता है जब किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में पर्सन या ऑब्जेक्ट जो डिस्टेंस में हो, तब हम बातें करते हैं. देन वी यूज़ दैट. दैट कार बिलोंग्स टू माई फादर. दोज कार्स आर फॉर सेल. ओके, दिस एंड दैट कैन बी यूज बिफोर द अनकाउंटेबल ऑल्सो. ओके, दिस और दैट का यूज़ अनकाउंटेबल के साथ भी होता है. एंड दिस फूड इज़ नॉट फिट टू बी ईटन. दैट रोज bush bears beautiful pink roses. So this food is not fit to be eaten. That rose bush bears beautiful pink roses. तो this का यूज़ नज़दीक के चीज़ के लिए होता है. that का यूज़ दूर के चीज़ के लिए होता है. ओके चलिए, now come to possessive determiners. So what is possessive determiners? Possessive shows possessions. Okay, they are called possessives because they possesses the nouns that follow them. Okay, they possesses the noun that follow them. My, your, her, his, our, their work as possessive determiners when used before nouns. These all comes in possessive determiners when it is used before nouns, and those they show relationships or possessions. Okay, examples: this is my book. Our school is closed today. Okay, and possessive can be used both before singular and plural nouns. Okay, my book, my books, your purse, your purses. Okay, तो ये singular और plural दोनों के साथ यूज होता है. Okay children, now come to numeral determiners. So numeral determiners, such determiners indicate the number of an object. Okay, it denotes it determines the numbers. Okay, I have one car, there are 4 intelligent boys in this team. Okay, it denotes the number. जब number की बातें होती then it comes in the numeral determiners. Okay children, now come to the quantitative determiners. This is quantitative determiners. Quantitative determiners denotes the quantity or number of nouns. ठीक है, क्वांटिटी और नंबर ऑफ नाउन्स बताते हैं. दे टेल्स अस समथिंग अबाउट नंबर और क्वांटिटी. ओके, क्वांटिटी या फिर नंबर के बारे में बताते हैं. क्वांटिटेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स लाइक मेनी एंड सेवरल. मेनी और सेवरल जो होता है सजेस्ट नंबर एंड दे आर यूज्ड विथ द काउंटेबल्स. ठीक है, मेनी और सेवरल का यूज काउंटेबल्स के साथ होता है. मेनी पेन्स, सेवरल ट्रीज. Okay, now let us start with sum. So what is the uses of sum? Sum is used in affirmative sentences. सबसे पहले जो sum की use है that is used in affirmative sentences. Okay children, sum का use affirmative sentences में होता है. I have some books, okay, and some milk, some toffees. Okay, sum is used for making a request. Can you give me some stationery for today? Or any is used in negative sentences. Whenever any is used, it is used in negative sentences. I don't have any money left with me. Any news books. Okay, so some is all used in affirmative sentences and any is normally used in negative sentences. This is the important thing children, you remember this thing. हमेशा याद रखने की बात है इस चीज़ को. एनी इज यूज फॉर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. डू यू हैव एनी पेन. इंट्रोगेटिव जब होता है, नेगेटिव जब इंट्रोगेटिव होता है, क्वेश्चंस की बातें होती है, देन एनी इज यूज्ड. ओके, एनी इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में भी एनी का यूज होता है. ओके, much, many and much are used with countable. Many and much are used with countable nouns, countable and uncountable nouns respectively. Okay, many and much are used with before the much is used before the uncountables. Okay, much is used before uncountables and many is used before the countables in the plural number. ओके, एंड अनकाउंटेबल्स होता है जब लार्ज क्वांटिटी होती है. मच का यूज होता है व्हेन देयर इज अ अनकाउंटेबल एंड अ लार्ज क्वांटिटी. ओके, एंड मेनी इज यूज बिफोर काउंटेबल्स इन प्लूरल नंबर. अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ होता है पर वहाँ पे प्लूरल नंबर होता है जिसको हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मच लेबर, मच जॉय. ओके, मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, मेनी आर्टिस्ट. सो ये मेनी गेस्ट वर प्रेजेंट इन द पार्टी. तो बहुत सारे गेस्ट प्रेजेंट थे वहाँ पे पार्टी में. ओके, अनकाउंट बहुत सारे लोग थे. ओके, शी वेस्टेड मच टाइम इन यूजलेस परस्यूट्स. तो शी वेस्टेड मच टाइम इन यूजलेस परस्यूट. ओके, हियर मच इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड बिफोर अनकाउंटेबल. ओके, नाउ लिटिल, अ लिटिल, द लिटिल and few. A few, the few. These all are children, these all are determiners which are of much confusions. बहुत confusions होते हैं इसमें. Okay, but if you will understand it properly, you will not have any confusion. Okay, so countable and uncountable nouns के साथ इसका use होता है. Little and few have a negative meaning. Little and few. Okay, when we talk about little and few, it has a negative meaning. There is little milk in the container, no tea can be made with it. तो बहुत नेगेटिव है, समझो कि बिल्कुल ना के बराबर है. ओके, लिटिल मीन्स नॉट मच, हार्डली एनी. हाँ, इट इज़ यूज ऑलमोस्ट इन द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. नॉट मच, हार्डली एनी. ओके, लिटिल एंड फ्यू. Few students were present yesterday. The teacher postponed the class test. Okay, here few is also used in negative sentence, negative meaning. Okay, now next is a little, a few. A little and a few have a positing meaning. मीन्स कि हाँ थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. A little means at least some. A little means at least some, and a few means also some at least. Okay. Little और a little. Little और few का मीनिंग हो गया न के बराबर, नेगेटिव. Not many, almost none. Okay. And when we talk about a little and a few, it means a little means at least some, though not much. Okay, at least some, though not much. And a few means some at least. दोनों का मतलब एक, some at least. There is a little milk in the container. There is a little milk in the container. ठीक है. We can make tea. Okay, we can make tea. There is a little milk in the container. We can make tea. And a few students are present today. The teacher is going to conduct the class test. See the difference, children. Two sentences are given here, and in previous little and few, when we were studying, there also the same words were giving. The same sentence was used with little and few also. Okay. Now next one, the little and the few. The little. So what is the little? The whole quantity, though very little. Okay. The little and the few means not much or many respectively, but whatever is there. मतलब जो भी है वहाँ पे. ठीक है. बहुत नहीं, पर जो भी है वहाँ पे. ठीक है. The little information he had could not be relied on. थोड़ा सा भी इंफॉर्मेशन जो उसने दिया, that cannot be relied on. जो भी है थोड़ा बहुत. Okay. The few, all of them, though very few. Okay. That also means same. The few things he has are not up to the mark either. The few things he has are not up to the mark either. जो भी चीज़ उसके पास है, that is not up to the mark. Okay. More is used with plural and uncountable nouns, usually with than. In this case, more refers to a quantity or amount of something greater than another quantity or amount. So children, more is used with plural and uncountable nouns. More का use plural और uncountable nouns के साथ होता है, usually with than. जब हम लोग than का use करते हैं. In the case, more refers to a quantity or amount of something greater than another quantity amount. ठीक है. There are more females than male in that house. तो कंपेयर हो रहा है, यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी की बात हो रही है. मोर फीमेल्स है देन मेल. ओके. ही हैज़ मोर मनी देन हिज ब्रदर. उसके पास ज़्यादा अमाउंट है मनी का देन हिज ब्रदर. प्लूरल फॉर्म में हो गया ये फर्स्ट वाला. एंड सेकेंड वाला अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. मोर ऑल्सो डिनोट्स एन additional quantity of or number without any comparison. More denotes additional quantity और नंबर विदाउट एनी कंपेरिजन. ये और भी एडिशनल क्वांटिटी को बताता है और नंबर विदाउट एनी कंपेरिजन. मोर प्रॉब्लम्स आर इन स्टोर. ओके. देयर इज नो कंपेरिजन बट इट शोज द एडिशनल क्वांटिटी. ओके. कि और भी प्रॉब्लम्स स्टोर में है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो हियर द चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड चिल्ड्रन. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to read this chapter thoroughly, and there are multiple choices question. So MCQ है यहाँ पे. So you try to solve it out by yourself. Okay. It is too easy, and I'll give you the PDF of the this exercises. Okay children. Till then, study at home, be safe, and stay at home. Study hard, stay at home, and be safe. Okay. Thank you.